Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's presentation is for my classroom management midterm project. This project has two parts. Let's start with the first part, teaching students to cooperate. Before we start, please take a look at the content table. Let's start with the definitions of cooperation. As you can see, based on the two definitions, cooperation is basically a collective struggle of individuals for the same purpose. Now, please take a look at the table. As you can see, from this table, we can conclude that cooperation is more beneficial than competition because the members of the team learn on how to depend on each other and see the other members as comrades and friends rather than enemies or rival. Here are the steps to encourage cooperation among students. The first step, explaining clear instructions and norms. The second one, teaching and modeling teamwork abilities. The third one, offering meaningful roles within the group. Fourth, making opportunities for team building. The fifth one, giving personal praises to encourage collaborative attitude. The sixth one, assessing the performance of the members and teams. And lastly, providing a sense of positive interdependence. Now, let's move on to the second part. In the second part, we are going to solve some problems faced by some teachers. Please take a look at the content table. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Let's start with Mr. Olizar's problem. As we can see, some of Mr. Olizar's students didn't pay attention to him. During the class, some of them even speaking to each other and playing with their toys. What is my solution? Well, my solution is that he must give a clear instruction such as, please pay attention while I'm explaining the lessons. And for the second example, just speak to each other when you have a problem with the lesson. As for the students who shout out silly answers, I think you must instruct them with, repeat your answer until it's correct. And for the students who brings toys from their home, you must instruct them to put away the toys until the lesson is over. Now, let's move on to Miss Jayendra's problem. Based on my observation, Stefano is the type of student who wants attention from everyone around him. And also, there's a possibility that he didn't get enough attention from his own parents. If Miss Jayendra can observe his personality based on his behavior in class and also from his assignments, I guess Miss Jayendra can get a bigger picture of his personality. On how to overcome his misbehavior, I think Miss Jayendra can give him advice such as, if he wants people to give him attention, he must first give the other people his attention. And if it doesn't work, I think Ms. Jayendra can challenge him to teach the whole class for 10 minutes in front of the class, while Ms. Jayendra watch over him from behind. With this method, Stefano can develop his skills in public speaking and also to use his own speaking skills and his ability to get people's attention in a positive way. And finally, let's solve Miss Yehelskaya's problem with her class. As we can see, Miss Yehelskaya's class is facing a concerning problem, such as yelling between students, teasing, and also might be bullying. From my point of view, some students might lie about the ones who start the fight. Therefore, my solution for this problem is by giving all of the class the chance to write diary. This diary writing is not an assignment for all of the students, but rather a chance for them to have a medium for expressing their feelings, emotions, hidden desires, and thoughts. Therefore, I hope that some of the students can have a relief in their feelings and also to get a better chance in knowing their own feelings. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you all for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.